Do you want your LinkedIn profile to be standing out from the crowd? Then my friend, a customized LinkedIn URL is the easiest way to do so. Because a customized LinkedIn URL not just looks professional but also it makes it easier for others to find you over there. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Himanshu here. You're watching GetAssist, and in this video, we are going to learn how to create a customized and personalized LinkedIn URL step by step. So let's get started, but before getting started, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and turned on the notification bell. So guys, when you make a personalized URL for your LinkedIn, it makes it so easier that anyone could guess that it's you only. We have seen so many YouTubers, creators, companies and people use the same strategy in all of their usernames, all of their social media accounts, using the same personalized URL to be recognized all over the social media. And it spontaneously clicks in your mind like, wait, it's him only. And the same thing will help you on LinkedIn. So without wasting any time, let's open up LinkedIn on either your web browser or on the LinkedIn application. So I'm using my mobile here, and let's open up the LinkedIn application. After opening the application, go to your profile. Here, tap on the pencil over here to edit your profile. Now, scroll down till you find contact info and tap on edit contact info. On the top, you will find your default URL of your LinkedIn. Tap on it. Now you will get the option to edit your custom URL. Tap on the pencil again, and here it is. You can edit it, you can customize it however, whichever way you want to be recognized, whether it's your company's name, it's your username, it's something that people use to call you, and then tap on save and confirm it. And you are done with it. And that's all in this video, how you can create your personalized LinkedIn URL using this simple step. And if you found this video useful and informative, just give it a like, share with your friends, and what else you have to do? Just subscribe to our channel for more such content and comment down your thoughts and topics for our next video, and I'll meet you super soon in the next one.